Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locating the exact video file or URL. This saves time and avoids guessing. Once you have the link, check the platform's built-in transcript or captions. Many hosts provide time-coded text ready to download. If no captions exist, immediately extract the audio track as an MP3 or WAV, or record the system audio. Doing that now lets you feed the file into an automated transcript service or local speech-to-text tool without extra steps later. Next, upload the audio to your chosen transcription engine, Cloud ASR for speed or Whisper/Local for privacy and control. Make sure you set the correct language and pick a model size that balances accuracy and cost. Enable timestamps and speaker labels if you need chapters. Once the job runs, download results as TXT, VTT, or SRT. If the initial pass contains errors, run a noise-reduced version or reprocess with a higher quality model to improve word accuracy and punctuation. Finish by proofreading the transcript for proper names, punctuation, and accurate timestamps. This matters for subtitles and searchability. Export your clean transcript in the format you need, such as SRT for subtitles or TXT for reference, and then embed or share it. If the transcript is garbled, try one key fix. Improve input audio, apply noise reduction, boost dialogue levels, or resample to 16 kHz+, and reprocess. If that still fails, opt for a human transcription service to guarantee accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.